Next on the list is kube-c-tl get secrets. Just like the config maps, this also help us to get the secrets list from the namespace. So secrets are nothing but your passwords for your service accounts and user accounts or any application related credentials. Let's quickly see how it works. So just type kube-c-tl get secret, and there is no resources available in the default namespace, and we'll see from other namespaces. I'm prefixing -n here. So there's also nothing inside, nothing here, nothing here. What a luck. Let me try to create one secrets and then get the list from that. So for the secret creation, something goes like this: kube-c-tl create secret generic, and there are many types actually, so in which we are going with generic type, and what is the name of the secret, followed by that what is the credentials, username, and then password. So now that db-secret is created, we'll see the command now. There it is. Similarly, you can also view that by going with the describe as we did before. There you go. So since its name itself secret, it will not show you the content, but otherwise, yeah.